Hello engineers! So this time is magsosolve tayo ng isang system of linear equation problems using the Thomas algorithm method. So itong topic na to guys, or itong method na to guys, is hindi siya gaano or hindi siya natatakel during our numerical methods and analysis subject. But this time is i-discuss natin siya using our calculator techniques, tapos gagamitan natin siya ng naibinto kong reverse L pattern method na tinatawag kong Kalakis reverse L pattern method. So, yung pattern na to is i-cooperate natin siya sa Thomas algorithm for tridiagonal system natin. Okay? Let's start. So, yung problem natin, engineers, is solve for the following equations by Thomas algorithm. So, yung equation natin is 3x1 minus x2 is equal to 5. Second equation is 2x1 minus 3x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 5. Third equation natin is x2 plus 2x3 plus 5x4 is equal to 10. And then yung fourth equation natin is x3 minus x4 is equal to 1. Okay? Caltech solution. So ito yung mga equation natin. So ang gagawin natin dito is i-rewrite down natin siya into matrix form. So ito yung magiging matrix form niya. For first equation, 3, negative 1, and then wala tayong x3 at saka x4, so therefore, that is 0, 0. For second equation, that is 2, negative 3, 2, and then wala tayong x4, so that is 0. Third equation is wala tayong x1, that is 0, and then 1, 2, and 5. Then sa ating fourth equation is wala tayong x1 and x2, so that is 0 and 0. And then 1, negative 1. Equal to dun sa ating constant, that is 5, 5, 10, and 1. So for Thomas algorithm for tridiagonal system, ito yung magiging pattern niya. Ito yung first diagonal natin, second diagonal, and then third diagonal. So from the word tridiagonal, may tatlo tayong diagonal na magiging base sa ating solutions. But we will not be using this pattern. Instead, gagamit tayo ng tinatawag nating or na-invento kong Kalakis reverse L pattern number 1. So sa Kalakis reverse L pattern number 1 is ito lang yung kukunin nating mga numbers. First, reverse L natin, we have 2, negative 3, and negative 1. Second pattern natin is 1, 2, and 2. And then third pattern natin is 1, negative 1, and 5. So itong tatlo na to, ito yung gagamitin natin sa ating solution. So sa solution natin, isosolve daw natin yung solve for the value of y. So sa calculator natin, enter mode 1. So calculator natin, enter mode 1. And then after that, input natin tong formula na to. Y is equal to B minus EC all over D colon D is equal to Y. So input natin, Y is equal to B minus A times C all over D colon D is equal to Y. After natin ma-input, so recall lang natin yung ating pattern. So this is our first pattern. Itong 2 na to, this will be our A. Yung nasa middle is our B. And then yung nasa taas is at our C. So enter calc. So enter natin sa calculator natin yung calc button. So magtatanong siya ng value ng B, E, C, at saka D. So sa B natin, insert natin yung -3. Sa E natin, insert natin yung 2. And then sa C natin, insert natin yung -1. And then, yung 3 dito is, ito yung i-insert natin sa variable D. Okay? So balik tayo sa calculator natin. Insert B is equal to -3. E is equal to 2. C is equal to -1. And then D is equal to 3. So we have a result of -7/3. So yung first iteration natin is 3. Ito siya. Ito yung magiging y sub 1 natin. Tapos yung nakuha nating result, ito yung magiging second iteration natin. That is -7/3. Okay, next. Inter equal. So inter natin equal hanggang makabalik tayo doon sa B question mark. So magtatanong siya ulit ng value ng B, but this time yung gagamitin nating pattern is itong pangalawang reverse L natin. So we have A, B, and C. So sa B, insert natin 2. Sa A, insert natin 1. Sa C, insert natin 2. And then yung D, skip na natin. So B natin is 2. A natin is 1. And then C natin is 2. Equal. D, skip natin. So yung result natin is 20/7. So this result will be our third iteration or y sub 3, 20/7. Next, inter equal. Inter natin equal hanggang sa makabalik tayo sa B question mark. So magtatanong siya ulit kung anong value ng B, E, C at saka D. So sa B, ang gagamitin pala nating pattern dito is yung pangatlong pattern natin. So ito siya. A, B, and then C. So for B, insert natin -1. For A, insert natin 1. For C, insert natin yung 5. And then yung D, skip natin. Okay? So B natin is -1. A natin is 1. C natin is 5. And then yung D, skip. So yung result natin dito is -11/4. So fourth iteration natin or y sub 4 is equal to -11/4. Since nakuha na natin yung mga value ng y, proceed na tayo sa Kalakis reverse L pattern number 2. So sa L pattern number 2 is gagamitin natin to. E2, K2, Y2. E3, K3, Y3. And then E4, K4, Y4. So saan tayo kukuha ng mga value nito? First, before that, use Z1 is equal to K1 over Y1 or Y sub 1. This is our first reverse L pattern. Second reverse L pattern. Third reverse L pattern. So, ang gagawin natin is bibigyan natin to ng mga values. So first bibigyan natin ng value dito is yung ating mga variable key. So dito natin siya kukunin. So hindi natin isasali to. So ito is key sub 1, this will be key sub 2, key sub 3, and key sub 4. Since yung required lang is key sub 2, key sub 3, at saka key sub 4. So therefore, ito lang yung gagamitin natin dito. So yun, yung key sub 2 is equal to 5. Next is key sub 3 is equal to 10. And then key sub 4 is equal to 1. Next, yung bibigyan naman ng value natin or bibigyan natin ng value is yung variable a. So dito natin siya kukunin. So yung 2 will be our e sub 2, yung 1 will be our e sub 3, at saka yung isa pang 1 it will be our e sub 4. So ito na yung magiging pattern niya. E sub 2 is 2, e sub 3 is 1, e sub 4 is 1. Next, yung y naman. So gagamitin natin yung nakuha nating result kanina. Since y2, y3 at saka y4 lang, so itong tatlo na to yung gagamitin lang natin. So this will be our y sub 1, y sub 2, y sub 3 at saka y sub 4. So yung y sub 2 natin is negative 7 over 3. Y sub 3 natin will be 20 over 7. And y sub 4 natin will be negative 11 over 4. So this is our first reverse L pattern, second reverse L pattern, and third reverse L pattern. Then use Z1 is equal to Q1 over Y sub 1. Tapos yung Q1 natin is 5, and then yung Y sub 1 natin is 3. So therefore 5 over 3, that is Z1 is equal to 5 over 3. So therefore, sa calculator natin, solve for Z. Then sa calculator natin, enter mode 1. So balik tayo sa calculator natin. Mode 1. Next is input natin tong equation na to. M is equal to B minus ED all over C. Colon, D is equal to M. So input natin to. M is equal to B minus E times D all over C. And then colon, D is equal to M. Next, enter natin yung calc button and then insert natin yung value ng B, E, C at saka D. So first, focus muna tayo dito sa ating first reverse L pattern. So this will be our E, B, and then C. So enter natin yung calc. Magtatanong ng value ng B. So lagay natin is 5. Value ng E, lagay natin 2. Value ng D, that is yung Z1. Ilagay natin 5 over 3. And then yung value ng C is negative 7 over 3. Equal, that is, yung result natin is negative 5 over 7. So first iteration natin sa Z. So yung nakuha natin kanina na Z1 is 5 over 3. So therefore, yung second iteration natin is yung nakuha nating result sa ating Caltech, which is negative 5 over 7. So next, inter equal. So inter natin equal hanggang sa makarating tayo sa portion na to, which is magtatanong naman siya ng bagong value ng B. So B, A, C, at saka D. So before that, recall lang natin yung ating Kalakis reverse L pattern number 2. So ito, natapos na natin to. So dito na tayo mag-focus sa ikalawang pattern. So this E, B, and C. So dito na tayo mag-focus sa ikalawang pattern. So this will be our E, B, and C. So insert natin sa calculator. B natin is 10. A natin is 1. And then yung D, skip na natin. And then yung C natin is 20 over 7. Equal. So yung makukuha nating result dito is 15 over 4. So this will be our third iteration. Next, enter natin yung equal. So enter natin yung equal ulit. So hanggang sa makabalik tayo sa B question mark, or magtatanong na naman siya ng bagong value ng B. So para makuha natin yung mga i-insert natin sa variables, focus tayo dito sa pangatlong pattern natin. So this is our E, B, and then C. So sa calculator natin, insert B, which is 1. A natin is 1. And then yung C natin is negative 11 over. D natin is, skip pala. 15 over 4, skip lang natin to. Retain lang yung value niya. And then yung C natin is negative 11 over 4. So equal natin. So yung makukuha nating result dito is M is equal to 1. So this will be our fourth iteration. And then proceed tayo sa Kalakis reverse L pattern number 3. So ito yung magiging pattern niya. C1, Z1, Y1, C2, Z2, Y2, C3, Y3, C3, Z3, Y3. But this time, kung kanina is from left to right tayo, sa Kalakis reverse L pattern number 3 is yung magiging movement natin is from right to left. So use X4 is equal to Z4. So dito tayo mag-start. This is our pattern number 1, pattern number 2, and then reverse L pattern number 3. So lalagyan natin to ng mga values. First is yung value ng Z. So dito natin siya kukunin sa nakuha nating result. Since Z1 tayo mag-start, so yung magpo-focus lang tayo dito. This is our Z1, Z2, Z3, and then yung last is our Z4. So yun, Z1 natin is 5 over 3. Z2 natin is negative 5 over 7. Z3 natin is 15 over 4. Next, yung bibigyan naman natin ng value is yung variable C. So dito tayo magpo-focus. So this is our C1, C2, C3. C1 natin is negative 1. C2 natin is 2. C3 natin is 5. So yun, C1 natin is negative 1. C2 natin is 2. And C3 natin is 5. Next is yung variable Y. So mag-start tayo sa Y1 or Y sub 1. So this will be our pattern. Y sub 1, Y sub 2, Y sub 3, Y sub 4. So fill up na natin. Y sub 1 natin is 3. Y sub 2 natin is negative 7 over 3. And Y sub 3 natin is 20 over 7. So start tayo from right to left. So this is pattern number 1. pattern number 2, pattern number 3. And then use x4 is equal to z4. So yung z4 natin is, so this is our z1, z2, z3. So therefore, z4 natin is 1. So solve for x, enter mode 1. So sa calculator natin, enter natin yung mode 1. And then, input natin tong equation na to. X is equal to b minus ed all over c colon d is equal to x. So x is equal to b minus a times d over c. And then colon c d is equal to x. Then enter calc. So magtatanong ng value ng b. Value ng b, e, d at saka c. So recall lang natin yung ating pattern. So this is pattern number 1, pattern number 2, and then pattern number 3. So focus muna tayo sa first pattern. So from right to left. So dito tayo mag-start. So this is our E, B, and then C. Then use X4 is equal to Z4 is equal to 1. So B natin. So sa calculator natin, insert natin yung B which is 15 over 4. A natin is 5. And then yung D natin, insert daw natin yung value ng X4 which is equal to 1. And then yung C natin is 20 over 7. So equal, yung result natin is X is equal to 2. So ito yung ating X sub 3. Since nag-start tayo sa X sub 4, so therefore yung first result natin is X sub 3. So next, inter equal. So enter natin equal hanggang makabalik tayo sa portion na to. So magtatanong siya ulit ng value ng B, E, C at saka D. So dito na tayo mag-focus sa second pattern. So this is our A, B, and then C. So insert natin negative 5 over 7. A natin is 2. Yung D natin skip natin. And then yung C natin is negative 7 over 3. Equal. So yung result natin dito is X is equal to 1. So this is our X sub 2. So enter equal. So equal natin ulit. Hanggang sa makabalik tayo dito sa B question mark. So magtatanong siya ulit ng bagong value ng B, E, C at saka D. So focus na tayo dito sa last pattern natin. So this is our A. This is our B. And this is our C. So sa calculator natin, B natin is 5 over 3. A natin is negative 1. And then yung D natin, skip natin. And then yung C natin dito is 3. So equal natin. So yung result natin dito is X is equal to 2. So therefore, this is our X sub 1. So to summarize our result, X sub 1 is equal to 2. X sub 2 is equal to 1. X sub 3 is equal to 2. And X sub 4 is equal to 1. So I hope may natutunan kayo dito sa video na to and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.